Hello friends, I am Anushka and today I am presenting you this wonderful PPT on Florence Nightingale. This is the book I read in the following month. This is a non-fiction. So I am just telling you about the book. This book is a biography of Florence Nightingale, who is the founder of modern nursing. This book describes how Florence Nightingale became the lady with the lamp. Author is Pam Browm. She is an author and poet from Australia and has written many other biographies like Life of Henry Durant. So Florence was known as Flo. She was born in 1820 to wealthy parents in France when they were on a tour to Europe. She decided to be a nurse when women were just married off, and despite at that time nurses were regarded as shameful. Her tough yet generous and kind character was best highlighted in the Crimean War. She fought for better conditions for all nurses, doctors, and patients in hospitals that won her respect throughout the world. She plunged into pioneering research and became Britain's expert on every aspect of hospital care. Famous quote of the book: two figures emerged victorious from the Crimean War, the soldier and the nurse. In each case, the transformation in public perception took place, and in each case, the transformation was due to Miss Nightingale. Recommendations: before Florence Nightingale, nursing was regarded as a maid's job. Her relentless efforts led to the birth of modern nursing. Her story describes how a single person's convictions can change the lives of millions of people. This book is a must read. Thank you.